Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for understanding the world of finance and investments, the stock market. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this video will give you a comprehensive overview of what the stock market is all about.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man,
So, what exactly is the stock market? At its core, the stock market is a place where shares of companies are bought and sold. These shares represent ownership in a company, and owning shares means you're a partial owner of that company. When a company decides to go public, it issues shares through an initial public offering, IPO. This is the company's way of raising capital to fund its operations and expansion. Now, let's talk about how the stock market works. Imagine the stock market as a marketplace where buyers and sellers meet. When you buy a share of a company, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of that company. And when you sell a share, you're selling your ownership in that company. The stock market operates through exchanges, which are platforms where stocks are bought and sold. Some well known exchanges include the New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE, and NASDAQ. Now, you might wonder, why do people invest in the stock market? Well, investing in stocks offers the potential for significant returns. As a company grows and becomes more profitable, its stock value can increase, allowing investors to make a profit when they sell. However, it's important to note that investing in stocks also comes with risk. Stock prices can be volatile and unpredictable, which means you could also lose money. In the stock market, several key factors contribute to its functioning. Let's take a look at them. Number one is investors. These are individuals or institutions that buy and sell stocks. They can be anyone from regular people like you and me to large investment firms. Number two are brokers. Brokers are intermediaries who facilitate the buying and selling of stocks. They execute trades on behalf of investors and charge a commission for or fee for their services. Third is market makers. Market makers are entities that provide liquidity to the market. They are always ready to buy or sell shares at a publicly quoted price. Lastly are regulators. Regulatory bodies like the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, oversee the stock market to ensure fairness and prevent fraudulent activities. You might have heard the terms bull market and bear market. These terms describe the general direction of the stock market. A bull market is characterized by prolonged periods of rising stock prices. It's a time of optimism and increasing investor confidence. On the other hand, a bear market is marked by a sustained decline in stock prices. This often leads to a pessimism and fear among investors. When it comes to investing, there are various strategies that investors use. One is long term investing. This strategy involves buying and holding onto stocks for an extended period with the hope that their value will increase over time. Next is day trading. Day traders buy and sell stocks within the same trading day, trying to profit from short term price movements. Another is value investing. Value investors look for stocks they believe are undervalued compared to their intrinsic worth. And lastly is index fund investing. Index funds track a specific market index, providing broad market exposure with lower fees. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of what the stock market is and how it operates. From the basics of buying and selling shares to understanding key players and investment strategies. The stock market plays a crucial role in the global economy. Remember, while the stock market offers opportunities for growth, it also involves risk. It's important to do your research and diversify your investments and consider your risk tolerance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching. And before you go, we'd love to hear from you. Have you ever invested in the stock market? What's your favorite investment strategy? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still